Do you sometimes wish you'd really quickly put together a journal, but you can't be bothered to do the sewing? Well, today I'll show you a really simple method. Okay, so first of all, you will need the cover that we made in the previous video. You need some thin elastic cord. You need some papers to make the inserts, obviously. You need a stapler. And that's it. Let's do it. So step one, you grab your prepared cover or any piece of cardstock will do. Okay, with your awl, make 2 holes, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. Mind your fingers, this is not a safe way of doing it. I've done it many times, so please use your mats. That is better. So do not do what I do what I say. I'm a teacher. And then make 1 in the middle. And then go over the holes to define them. I found that the crocodile holes were a bit too big. So you need your elastic cord now. This will hold your signatures in place and will also be your closure. So you insert the cord from the middle hole. Both ends go outside in. This can be fiddly, but it can be done. So gently pull the cord, but leave a loop on the outside. That will be your closure. And then take one end, weave through the lower of the top holes and back in if you can. So you may need to fiddle with a little bit. Yay! So that's half of it done. Now take the other long end, go in the lower hole again. I got this from Amazon. So go in through the lower hole at the bottom, pull through, and come back via the top one at the bottom of the cover. Here we go. Tighten really gently. Tie a double knot and another knot just in case. Check your closure and tie a knot there as well. It will keep it in place. Done. It took us 5 minutes. Now you can use any kinds of inserts. So if you already have these moleskin coheres, then use them. Or you can make your own, really simple. These are just some offcuts that I had on my desk. There's a bit of eco-dyed card stock there that I'm just, oh no, I'm not ripping, I'm cutting this time. You know, very rough measuring. You can sew it, but if you don't want to, then staple. Did you know you can pull the staples open? I am sure I learned that only a couple of years ago. So any staple opens like that and then you can staple. Just press down the sharp edges so you don't injure yourself. My staples were not very good, so I recommend maybe stronger staples. Then you can trim the overhang if you want to, but again, it's your journal, you don't have to. If it's just for note-taking or like a to-do list, then it doesn't really need to be pretty. Or it can. I found some stickers. I'll embellish this properly later with laces and all kinds of things as I go. That's my preferred way of doing stuff for myself. Also, you can machine sew the inserts like they do the moleskins. And then you can insert your booklets. You can get 3 in with just one of these cords. But two is comfortable. 3 is a bit fiddly, but you can do it. And all senses are now satisfied. Then I decided to make another insert because, you know, once you start, you can't stop. I seem to have stabbed my hedgehog in the nose. That's not good. Same thing, eco-dot cardstock. Just lined paper offcuts. And repeat the procedure with the stapler. Press down the sharp edges. Okay, so you can have a proper Midori size cover and then put your inserts in, or you can have a little passport size one like the one we just made. The options are limitless. So this is a more traditional version, but I actually prefer the passport size. You can put all kinds of things in there. Pockets for your cards or any like documents. It's your journal, so make it work for you. But for now, thanks for watching. This concludes our faux leather series, and I'll see you soon.